Let's talk about a comment. So I would say that comment is actually some lines of maybe 2 lines of code that we can use to comment out a particular line of code or comment out a number of lines of codes. So you might have seen me trying to do something like this. Maybe I can come here, maybe I was trying to explain something to you and I will do something like this. So when I do something like this, any code I enter, whatsoever I type here is not going to be executed. Whatsoever I type here is not going to be executed. So let's assume I don't want to execute this code that says enter first number. I can come here and comment it out. So I'll say I'll just use double slash. So let me terminate the server first. So when I run this code, you're not going to see enter first number again. It's just blank. But normally this one is working, so I can just enter maybe 30 there. So when I proceed, it will say enter an operator. The reason why this one is not showing is because we have commented this out. So it's a common thing that we do in programming. Maybe for the moment you don't want to use a line of code at that moment, you just have to comment it out. Or maybe you are just trying to run a debug to check what exactly is wrong with your code, why is it not executing. You can use this comment feature to comment out whatsoever you want to comment out. Now let's talk about maybe you want to comment out some particular lines of code. There are still ways to achieve that as well. All you have to do is, let's assume that you want to comment out from here to here. From here to here. So since we are starting from here, we'll press a 1/ with 1 star. You can just call it multiplication. Then as you can see, this thing has to comment out the whole of these codes below this print statement. So let's say I want to end it here. I can easily come here and say */. So the rest line of codes, they are going to start executing. So it's a common thing we do, and I'm sure that this is very simple for you to understand, and you will get to know this and you get to understand the usefulness of all these things when you start coding very well.